Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a cinematic video using the remote filter and color adjustment in CapCut. So first in here you need to go to add your clips and go to filter, and in here swipe the category until you find scenery and select the remote filter. Okay, this one, click on a check icon when you're done, and then go to polish, click on adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -10, contrast -20, oops, and then saturation 5, exposure -5. Click on the sharpen and set it into 40, and now go to highlight and lower it to -12, shadow -5, and then temperature 20, lastly fade 5. Okay, so now you are done. Just click on the check icon and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for today. See you guys next time.